My doggy Toby is here, and I have Blue in here. I have a nice flower. Look at my flower here. Very nice. But next time I will. Hello everyone, how are you? Thank you for watching. My dog here. A lot of rains today. The rain was going on for 4 days. Look at the flowers, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks everyone for watching here. Hello everyone. My Toby is here. Toby is the golden doodle, and I have Toby. I have Blue. Blue, what are you doing there, Blue? What are you doing? Blue, what are you doing, Blue, huh? It got ruined from the wind. My flowers got ruined from the wind. Thank you guys for stopping by and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. How are you guys? How are you everyone? It's a little bit chill here. Today is Friday. Happy Friday everyone. Look at my dog. I think my flower has too much water. Wait. Wait. No. Blow. Quiet. It's Blow. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That's Toby and Blue. They're hanging out tonight. They're gonna have sleepover tonight. They are so funny dog. Okay guys, do you wanna come in here? You wanna come in here? Blue, that's Blue. When they play, they think that they're fighting, but they are not. Look. Look. They are hyper. They're hyper dog. Oh, I feel like this dripping water here from the. Yeah, they were raining all day today. It's like 48 hours